Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna be installing piping for the intercooler and carb legal intake or what? Yeah man, right now we're taking off the bumper. This is Hector, if you guys didn't know. As you guys know, or maybe you don't know, Evos make a lot of power very easy. That intake's probably gonna be like 100 horsepower, I swear, to the wheels. You gotta take the bumper off and that's it. Should be a pretty quick install. I don't know if there's videos out there, but we'll just make another one. Fuck it, you know, help you guys out. But yeah, let's get started. All right guys, we got the bumper off. It's not too bad. It's just a 10 mil on both sides, 2 in the middle. There's one here
and one in the bracket.
Yeah, there's one. Yeah, there's a cutoff right here. Just take off your license plate and then just a bunch of tabs, huh?
Yeah.
All right, well, you guys can see the intercooler piping we gotta take off. Yeah, lucky motherfucker, this fool got a fucking oil cooler. Must be nice. Some people gotta buy shit like that. But what were you saying? That intercooler, that's OEM intercooler, is good up to what?
Around 500.
He might switch it, but most people, what, they switch it for looks? Also, this fool also lucky. This fool got an intercooler sprayer from factory. Must be nice, man. So yeah, we're just taking off all these clamps and then it's gonna suck getting all this piping out here. But this fool still has OEM shit, 4-inch or 5-inch intake. Be fucking sick. All this piping we're replacing. If anything, it'll look more OEM than factory.
It is true.
Cause it's black. So
got favorite for my OEM.
that's crazy. And then they didn't want to pass you for smog?
Yeah.
That's crazy. They didn't want to pass this food for smog because of, they said all that piping was aftermarket. Let's get to work before the sun beats our ass. All right guys, we got most of the intercooler piping off. We just need this one, huh?
Yeah,
straight to the turbo where the blow valve goes.
Bypass valve.
Hey, fuck you, man. Just get a bigger one. This is gonna replace that. It's well dick. Look at that shit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but damn, the paint job is fucking sick. But this one replaces here. Well, the OEM one has that hose, that flex in it, and an engine replaces that with not even, like, it's just longer. And then with the smaller silicone coupler, look, it already comes with the carb sticker on it. Hell yeah. The brackets were pretty easy to take off. It was just the flex hoses. Holy shit, those are a bitch.
OEM.
Yeah, OEM with how many miles you got?
180.
Fuck, man, 180.
Everything OEM.
Yeah, look at all this. At least it was aluminum for OEM. You know, I give Mitsubishi that, man. They fucking build this Evo great. But now, time to upgrade. Alright guys, we're still figuring out how the intercooler piping goes. But he put the well dig on. And that coupler. But we found out you have to reuse these stock clamps and the fucking couplers. Cause I guess when you get an intercooler kit, or just when you buy the intercooler, it comes with those. So this is just piping. Don't forget to use grease. Cause when you want to take it off next time, it's a lot easier. You know, I've dealt with a lot of shit there's no grease on it. Holy shit, it's like seized on there. So just remember, that's a good hack. Literally, for 30 minutes, this fool was lost a hose that we were looking for. Fucking guy, and it was right here the whole time. Fool was stressing. He thought he was gonna have to drive with a fat ass boost leak. Like, just, he was like, fuck it.
I was already ready for everything.
Well, we find out how all the piping goes. So now put all the couplers in, all the clamps.
Ah, fuck.
What?
I broke a nail.
What the hell?
I thought you were serious.
Damn, look at that nice ass blanket. we're almost done. This side. Got everything nice and tight. It was a bitch to put all this piping in. Got it in. This is the extra hose they give you. Yeah, these hoses were a bitch. The ones in here, holy shit. Like, you definitely need 2 people. Like, there's no way around it. Unless somehow you have like 8 hands. 2 and a midget. He just put on the intake. He's about to tighten all this down. Don't you rotate this 180? I think so, man.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
So it looks clean.
That's wiring.
I mean, when you're right, you're right. He's almost done, man. God damn, I can't wait to see how this sounds. Yeah, so I think the only flaw from engine is literally the sticker. They put the carb sticker right under here, so it's a bitch for the smog technician to look at it. So they're probably gonna give him shit for that.
Not my check, not my problem.
Put the extension in me.
Hi.
Hoi. Fucking 100 foot-pounds of torque or what?
120.
God damn.
Recommended.
Now don't break it now.
Break it? Warranty.
God damn, that's the longest warranty I've ever heard of. It's a 20-year warranty.
20-year, 220,000 miles.
Damn, this looks fucking clean. Let's remove this sticker.
And I'm gonna get dirty. Battery started.
Hell yeah. He was saying there was a company that makes like a headlight air intake duct or something like that, right? It goes like right here for your fog light, it deletes it. Just airflow right to it, huh? Yeah. Hell no, that's not gonna fit either. Bro, that thing is giant.
Wanna bet? How much
I don't know. How much you wanna lose?
See, you rotate this, it gets flat.
Hey, whatever, man. Whatever floats your pickle. Damn, just got the bumper on. He's about to 2-step it right now. Woo! Look who showed up, Mike. What's that? That sounds good. You actually hear the blow valve, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh shit, hey, fuck you, man. My 10 mil?
Yeah,
Bitch ass fucking dick. God damn it. Uh-huh. Looks like there's no boost leaks, right? You would hear it. It would idle hella stupid too. Probably. 20 horsepower. Peak. Damn, bro. Must be nice.
With Subaru.
Shit. You wish.
Now he can almost keep up with the Subaru.
Damn.
In reverse.
In reverse. Yeah, I don't know if you guys ever had a problem with your blow valve, because I guess he said the stock one is plastic and it breaks and this shit was leaking, so he got a MR from 8 or 9?
9.
Because this one's aluminum, so it doesn't leak. We're gonna go for a test run right now. This is Mike's whip. Look at that shit, carbon fiber. Damn, bro. Yeah, so he came up on a fucking deal, man. A 16 STI that a car, he took it to the shop, the previous owner, it caught on fire. The shop's fault, he picked it up. Hella cheap, and you just finished swapping all the parts?
Yep.
Or most of it, right? Or all of it?
Brembos, pretty much everything. I got the Brembos from the STI, the rims, obviously, so I throw my own tires. Swap the transmission.
Damn, check that out. I like the black Brembos, man. It just looks hella nice. 6-speed and shit. Hell yeah. What else?
Just the clutch, Clutch Masters clutch, and a Subi Speed flywheel.
Oh yeah. Oh, and Olin's coilovers.
And Olin's coilovers.
Yeah, man, he came up, like, swear, he came up like $1,000 bucks, right?
All off the STI.
Dude, $1,000 bucks, and he came up on everything. Oh, and the Radium surge tank, or?
Yeah, Radium engineering surge tank.
Yeah. Well, like dual pumps?
Dual pumps with also an ETS front mount intercooler that I still got to install.
Dude, that's crazy. Look at that trunk. That trunk is sick. Listen, Subies, yo. Said he liked this one because it came already painted.
Clear coated.
Yeah. Hella cheap, right? Like 20 bucks?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
let's leave a fingerprint on there, you know, otherwise we wouldn't be real friends, you know.
For real. I'm gonna spit on it. What else you do? What else you do? Oh yeah, he installed these. I guess these are factory. If you guys need anything, hit us up. Yeah, but if you guys fucking have any questions, then hit up the comments. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. The instructions are good. and everything just bolts right in. Woo! Damn, bro. How do you like that? He's like, yeah. Damn, you're making them fucking move? Now everybody's gonna wanna race you even more, bro. Everybody's grandma fucking wants to race him and shit. Oh, look at this Porsche. That fool don't want one with that little wing. Oh shit. Alright guys, well that was it for today. Hopefully that video helped, and if you guys like it, give that shit a thumbs up, subscribe. Oh fucking guy. Well shit. Man, that pool's hard. I can't wait till this fool starts getting some power down. That's just an intake with no tune. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment below. We got more content for the Evo, more installs and shit, so we out. Late.